of taxpayers are still waiting for their income tax refund even as the year-end deadline approaches. Many have now received alerts from the income tax department asking them to file a revised return by December 31st if they want their refund to be processed. The question is, why are refunds getting delayed? How can you check the exact status of your ITR? And if you've been asked to revise your return, what do you need to do? Let's decode it in this episode of Newswatch. Now, according to the latest updates, while several income tax refunds have already been processed, a large number of returns are still under processing. Taxpayers checking their status are seeing messages like refund pending, under processing, or action required on the income tax portal. In some cases, refunds have not been credited even though returns were filed on time. Now, adding to this confusion, the income tax department has started sending automated alerts to certain taxpayers stating that their refund is on hold and that they may need to file a revised return. These messages have prompted concern among salaried individuals, pensioners, and self-employed taxpayers who were expecting their refunds already. Now, how to check your ITR and your refund status? The first and the most important step is to check the exact status of your income tax return. Taxpayers can do this by visiting the official income tax e-filing portal, which is incometax.gov.in. After logging in by using your PAN and your password, go to e-file section, select income tax returns and click on view filed returns. Here the portal will show whether your return has been processed or is still under review. It will also clearly indicate whether a refund has been issued, is pending, or whether any action is required from your side. Now, if the department wants you to revise your return, the information will be visible here as well. Now to the key question. Why are refunds getting delayed? As per reports, the income tax department may hold back a refund if the return is flagged during verification. This usually happens when there are discrepancies or inconsistencies in the return filed by the taxpayer. Now, these discrepancies could be related to income details, deduction claims, or other information that does not match the data available with the department. When such issues are detected, the refund is not released immediately. Instead, the department may ask the taxpayer to correct the return by filing a revised ITR before the refund can be processed. In simple terms, if the tax return has errors, the refund will not move forward until those errors are corrected. Now, what is a revised ITR and why does it matter? A revised ITR is simply a corrected version of the original return. It is used when a taxpayer realizes or is informed by the department that there is an error in the original filing. Once submitted, the revised return replaces the original return. This is important because the income tax department processes refunds based on the latest valid return on record. If errors remain uncorrected, the refund may remain stuck indefinitely. Filing a revised ITR is done online through the same income tax portal. After logging in, go to e-file, select income tax returns and then choose file revised return. You will need to select the relevant assessment year and enter the acknowledgement number of your original return. After that, make the necessary corrections whether related to income, deductions, or other details and submit the revised return. Once this is done, the revised return becomes the valid return for the year. Now, one of the most important points highlighted in these reports is the December 31st deadline. December 31st is the last day to file a revised ITR for the relevant assessment year. If the return is not revised by this date and the original return contains error, the opportunity to correct those mistakes through a revised return may be lost. This could result in the refund remaining pending or facing further complications. That is why taxpayers who have received alerts are being advised to take action before December 31st instead of waiting. So what should taxpayers do at this stage? First, log into the income tax portal and check your ITR status. Second, read any alerts or messages carefully to see if the department has asked for a revised return. Third, if a revised return is required, file it before December 31st, correcting the errors mentioned. Acting on time can help ensure that the refund is processed without further delay. Now, to sum it up, a delayed income tax refund does not automatically mean a problem, but it does require attention. If the department has flagged your return and asked for a revision, ignoring it could keep your refund stuck. With the December 31st deadline approaching, checking your status and taking timely action is crucial. What are your thoughts on this video? Do let us know in the comment section below.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.